Hey all, I know that I'm really shit at posting in this group, but I promise I am trying to get better. What I'm wanting to show you today, you would have maybe just seen my post. So we've had a pretty good week here at Voyage. We sent over 400 SMS to our clients for a webinar that we were registering people for on Wednesday, which went pretty well. We just ran that on Teams. And what we're able to do is send all of those SMS from our broker numbers. So the numbers that our clients are already corresponding to the numbers that our clients are already corresponding with us on. So it was sent from the broker, so from David or from Louise, and what that meant was that the engagement rate and the responses that we got back were actually really, really good. Everything came back into the one platform. We're able to respond really rapidly. It built some engagement as well. So even if people were not able to attend the webinar, they were responding saying like, hey, no thanks, not for us. Thanks for asking. Thanks for thinking of me. So that was really good. Just a really good way of building some client engagement. And then also as well, the second thing that I put in the post that I put in just then was that we were able to intercept some correspondence that, and this actually happened on last Friday, but I came across some information in our system that alerted me to the fact that a client was maybe unhappier than we potentially thought. And nothing was being hidden or anything. It's I managed to stumble across it. We managed to jump in, roundtable it, fix it up. Clients this week are much, much happier than what they were. We managed to get the bank to do what they needed to do because they weren't doing that. And so yeah, Referabl has been just winning for us all around this week. What I wanted to show you though is just how easy it is to upload to multiple platforms all at once. So I'm in Referabl. What we're gonna do is go new post. Create new post. I have just been recording some stuff for Voyage, which we're actually going to be pushing out on ads, which we're also doing in the system. And I'm going to post to pretty much everywhere where there's video, which is Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube. Yep, happy with all those. The video, I'm just going to pause the video and get it uploaded here. All right, I'm back with a quick costume change as well. So I've just uploaded that video. It's about 7 minutes long. And with my new setup, it's looking pretty nice, but you can see it's going across a number of different platforms. The text, all I need to do is enter the text in once. That's looking pretty good. So that's going to be going out pretty much across all socials. Yep. I think except for Instagram because of some issue with Reels. So what I'll do is come in here. I'm going to untick this one. And what I'm also going to do, I'm going to be using this post for some ads, which I'll show you through that process next week. Let's go post now. Oh, you know what I should have done oh no, I didn't add YouTube. Bugger. All right, I'm going to do that again. Create new post. I think I just forgot to add. Did I add YouTube? Give me a sec. Yeah, that was silly. It looks as though I didn't put that out on YouTube. So I'm going to go create new post. Tick YouTube as well. Throw that in. Upload the video. Well, the video is already uploaded, but just add it into the post. Growing wealth safely. Let's call it that. Cool post. Awesome. All right, I've got a couple of appointments to jump onto, so I'll chat to you next week.